Hello everyone, today we will introduce the Pavement Damage Editor function under the Road Analysis module. This function is used to manually add damage areas as a supplement to automatic detection. You can set the damage type and severity. By clicking on the Damage Editor function, a dialog box will appear where you can set the required damage type and severity. Damage types include rutting, corrugation, bump, cracks, pothole, depression, and users can also select a custom damage name. Note, custom types do not support PCI calculation. Severity levels are classified as low, medium, and high, each corresponding to different weighting factors in PCI calculation. After setting these parameters, draw polygons on the point cloud damage area. If the point cloud is unclear, you can also draw on the image if corresponding image data is available. The drawn results will be stored in the Damage Region layer. The attribute table not only records the damage area's damage type and severity but also statistics such as length, width, and area. However, the damage depth of individual points in the point cloud is not calculated. This concludes the introduction to the Damage Editor function. Thank you for watching.